Ah, you smell that? Spring is here. Do you have any outdoor projects coming up? Maybe you want to spruce up your yard's curb appeal? Well, you are in luck. We're going to be chatting with Jeff Doherty, local owner here at Angels Garden Center. He's going to be walking us through his top 3 tips for sprucing up your curb appeal, as well as tell us about his amazing business he has here. Let's go find him. All right, Jeff, tell me about Angels Garden Center. What's the history here? You guys have been family-owned business for a long time, right?
Correct. Yeah, my mom and dad started this tiny little greenhouse operation in 1956. So we're 66 years in Hopkinton. We like to think that we're a full-service garden center. We do annuals, perennials, shrubs. We're the place where the home gardener wants to come.
You actually deliver mulch to people's homes, right?
Yes.
How does that work exactly?
So, I mean, someone will call us and say, hey, I need 7 yards of mulch. We'll schedule it. We can usually do it within 24 to 48 hours. And we have 7 different kinds of bark mulch. We have every color that you want, anything imaginable. And we have all these organic mulches now that it just becomes compost once you put it down on your beds. 12 years ago, my wife and I bought the license from Red Barn Coffee, and we opened up Angels Cafe, and it has been a huge success. We are a mile from the highway, and we're on the right-hand side of the road. It's an easy on, easy off. It's the best cup of coffee in town. We have great customer service, super staff in there. We bake fresh every day. Pastries, bagels, muffin tops. We're famous for all of that. For the homeowner, your home is your biggest investment. And so curb appeal, the nicest thing that you can do is mulching your yard, making your yard look excellent, making your landscape stand out. Also, you have a front area where people come to your house. We do combination planters that you can put on your doorstep. It is the nicest thing that when somebody comes up to your house, they see beautiful pots. Also, your home garden, where you can have vegetables and be able to enjoy your yard in the greatest depth.
Well, Jeff, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Get an amazing place here. Reach out to Jeff at Angels Garden Center for any of your yard needs.